In today's video, I'm going to show you how to profit from a newly listed coin on Binance, step by step. Whether you're new to crypto trading or you're already using Binance and want to catch early opportunities, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to trade smarter and with more confidence. First, open your Binance app and make sure you're logged in properly. Once you're inside the app, tap on the More option, then navigate to the Announcements section. This area is extremely important, so don't skip it. Binance announcements are where you'll find official updates about newly listed coins, launch times, and trading pairs. Keeping an eye on this section helps you stay ahead of the crowd and spot opportunities before most traders react. Next, carefully read the announcement for the new coin listing. Pay close attention to the exact listing time, supported trading pairs, and any important notes Binance mentions. This information helps you plan your entry properly instead of rushing in blindly. When a new coin goes live, prices often move very fast due to high demand and excitement, so preparation here really matters. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Binance account is fully verified, check that you have enough balance if a deposit or holding task is required, and always read the campaign rules carefully. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary disqualification issues. Once trading goes live, try to buy the coin early but stay calm and patient. Sometimes the price spikes instantly and other times it dips before moving up. After that, as the price begins to climb, consider selling your coins in small portions instead of all at once. This helps you lock in profits gradually and reduce risk if the price suddenly drops. It's also a smart idea to set a stop loss to protect yourself from unexpected market crashes and keep your capital safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to trade newly listed coins on Binance more confidently and maximize your chances of profit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want to improve their crypto trading. Why not make someone's day easier?